This video goes over this larynx model right here. You can rotate it by grabbing it and moving the mouse. You can just click the arrows. You can click play. And these are hotspots. The hotspots are all in the right place on the model. We have a superior view, we have a posterior view, and we have an anterior view. So this is the larynx model. The thyrohyoid membrane is missing right here. So you can see the backside. And the first structure we should talk about is the hyoid bone right here. It's supporting, we have the lesser horns right there. And if I spin it around, I have the greater horns right there. Now, there are three major cartilages on the larynx. This big one right here is called the thyroid cartilage. And right here is the thyroid prominence. It's sometimes known as the Adam's apple. I like calling it the Adam's or Eve's apple. Now, notice it is not a complete cartilage. There's an empty space in the back. This empty space right here is the glottis. Air can go into it. Now, this cartilage right here is called the cricoid cartilage. For the love of every deity out there, I want to call it the circoid cartilage because it goes in a circle. The thyroid cartilage doesn't. These C-ring cartilages don't. The epiglottis definitely doesn't. This is the only circular cartilage. It is the cricoid cartilage. And it's attached by the cricothyroid ligament right there. Now, in the muscle chapter, you might have talked about the Thyrohyoid muscle right here. And you probably didn't talk about, I don't know anyone that really talks about the cricothyroid muscle, but it reinforces cricoid cartilage, thyroid cartilage, so I thought I would include it. Now this is the epiglottis right here. What happens when you swallow is the hyoid bone's actually being held in place. This all lifts up, and the epiglottis right here is going to fold down over the glottis, preventing food from getting in. So if I look at the superior view, here is the thyroid cartilage, here's the greater horn of the hyoid bone, here are a couple of the lesser cartilages, there's the vocal folds. The epiglottis is going to fold down over this. While we're doing a zoomed in view, you might as well just go to the normal posterior view and talk about those two lesser cartilages. And you can see the vocal folds back here still. These are the arytenoid cartilage on both sides and the corniculate cartilage. Up here it's really, really tiny and really, really cute. So, we're almost done with our cartilage model. I want to point out the trachea though. See, we have the trachea right here. Now, the trachea has these C-ring cartilages. Again, the cricoid is the only complete cartilage. The C-ring cartilage of the trachea, the cartilage is actually absent in the back. And there's a ligament here called annular ligaments, not to be confused with the annular ligament in the arm, but there are elbow, I guess. So those are the annular ligaments. So that is the larynx model. Thank you.